We are going to be creating a journal. So right off the hop, we're just going to go / for our cheat sheet to bring up the word table. And journals are obviously one line, so we just want to do a 1x8. We're only able to do 1x8, but what we can do for more lines, let's bring that up to the top there so it lines up. Just want to click on the bottom column there, bottom row, and then we're just going to press tab. As many lines as we want. We want the lines smaller. Bring that over there. All right, so there we go. And that is literally all you have to do if you want to bring a line here for the date instead of doing that. If you want to date your journal, you would just type L for line, and we're just going to zoom in here, bring it up here. You can do the stroke style, the stroke weight if you want it really small like that for the date. If you want to type the date in there, you can press T for the shortcut and do date. We'll bring that up there. Literally so simple. And then obviously if you want to do more, you can just duplicate the page. Or not that page. Yeah, we'll duplicate that page there. But there we go, duplicate derp. And just do that as many times as you want. If you want to add more than one page, you can just select that, duplicate 2 pages, duplicate 4, and so on and so forth. If you want to do like a do like a whole bunch of pages. I think Canva, if I recall, you can only do up to 100 pages. So that's good to know, unless they have changed that since then. If they have, let me know in the comments and I will edit the video. But I do believe you can have up to 100 pages. So you can just duplicate all the pages and you are done. It's simple as that. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you have any requests for any other videos, let me know as well. See you on the next video, guys.